Hello everyone, I'm Simon. Welcome to OS DevOps. So today I'll be showing you an application I worked on which is called Daily Insight. So I used PHP, JavaScript, and CSS to work on this application. So what this is all about, it's a digital platform, your go-to source for the latest local news, events, and community updates. So what it houses breaking news, get real-time updates on what's happening in your neighborhood, local events. Never miss out on concerts, festivals, local town meetings, and more. Community voices, read opinions, stories, and interviews from people near you. Hyper local coverage from city council to school sports. If it matters to your area, it's here. Photo highlights, see your community through the lens of local photographers. Smart summaries, catch up quickly on daily briefings and top highlights. So this is what Daily Insight is all about. So first of all, let's look at the navigation bar. So we have our latest articles, select category, contact us, advertise with us, register, login. So first of all, let's look at our latest articles. So once you click on latest articles, it takes you to all the articles that were just currently written. So just so you know, these are dummy data, they are not real information. So man wins prize, the man won a prize. So it shows you the date and what the article is all about. So Champions League PSG won, contemporary buildings, residential houses, commercial buildings, commercial houses. So that's that for latest article. So let's look at our categories. Yes, before you add each category, you have to go through the admin. Yes, we have an admin dashboard for adding categories, for adding articles. So let's look at local news. And as you can see, you have your register and your login. So you could comment on a particular um you could comment on a particular local or on a particular article, right? So let's try to look at this man wins prize. So once you click on that, you see the image, you see the dates, you see who it was authored by. This man won a good prize. So list of comments, so you see if there are any comments. So let's try to log in to see let's try to log in. So let me see if I can log in as this assignment. So let's try to say I want to use this password. So I just logged in right now, and let me go back to that and comments. So I can, as you can see, it just appeared. I can now add my comment. This is true. I witnessed it. So let's add our comments. As you can see, I just added my comment. So it shows my name. This is true. It shows the date it was added. So that works fine. So basically, you just have different. So this local event doesn't have any article. So this one has an article. So this is the article. As you can see, I can comment on any one that I'm seeing. So please ignore the images. Like I mentioned, they're just dummy data. So it shows me the person that it was authored by. So there's no article on this. So we have our contact us, which shows you can email here and have our telephone number. So we have our advertise with us. So definitely we will have companies that want to advertise. So this is where the advertisements will go. And then you can log out. So let's look at the admin quickly. So the admin can add articles, right? So let's say we want to add articles on furnitures and we want to talk about furnitures. So once we add that article and we come here and we refresh, we'll see that furniture has been added. Remember, it wasn't there before, so admin can add, admin can add category. That was the category we just added. So admin can add articles right now. So we could add articles on furniture. But let's go back. If you can see, there's no article on furniture, but let's try to add chairs. There is a new type of chairs. So let's just choose a random image. So let's submit. My article has been added. So let's go back to this place. As you can see, chairs has been added. So basically, the admin has the ability to add articles. So these are the list of all the articles you can edit. You can edit your articles, right? You can edit your articles. So let's say you want to change this to sports, just add an S. So as you can see, this is sports, but once I refresh, I see sports. So my article, or my category, has been edited. So we can see the list of articles. You can edit or delete it. So let's say I want to delete these chairs I added, and I go back and I go to furniture's category. See, it has been deleted. So you can see the list of, you can add users as the admin. So there is a main admin and there are other admins, right? So you could see the list of users that are here. So let's say I want to add Joseph as an admin, and I'm giving him a password of 1. So it's going to be a staff, not the main admin. So I'm going to submit this, and you can now see Joseph is here. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to come in as Joseph. Open my password as 1. I'm going to submit right now. So as you can see, he just logged in. So Joseph doesn't have the right to admit people because he doesn't have the admin privilege. So basically that's all for Daily Insight. So as you can see, the navigation bar, the hero section, the sidebar, the articles, and all that. So this is a digital platform like I mentioned. So thank you very much for your time. God bless you.